Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to send XRP from Coinbase to Kraken using an easy method. We will walk through each step, ensuring your transfer is smooth and secure. It is crucial to pay close attention to details like the destination tag to prevent any issues. This guide will help you confidently move your XRP between these two popular exchanges, making the process straightforward and understandable for everyone. First, access your Kraken account. Once logged in, find the Funding tab, then select Deposit. From the list of available cryptocurrencies, choose XRP. Kraken will provide you with two critical pieces of information: your unique XRP wallet address and a numeric destination tag. Both are absolutely essential for a successful transfer. Copy these details precisely, perhaps into a temporary note, as you will need them for the next step. Now, switch over to your Coinbase account. On the main dashboard, locate and click the Send and Receive button. Select XRP as the cryptocurrency you intend to transfer. In the recipient address field, paste the XRP wallet address you copied from Kraken. Immediately after, paste the numeric destination tag into its specific memo field. This tag is vital for Kraken to correctly credit your funds, so do not skip this step. Finally, input the amount of XRP you want to send. Before proceeding, take a moment to meticulously review all the transfer details. Double-check the Kraken XRP address and the destination tag for accuracy. Ensure the network selected is XRPL. Once you are confident everything is correct, confirm the transaction. Your XRP will then be sent, and it typically takes a few minutes for the transaction to be processed and confirmed on the XRP Ledger network.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.